They always say you can be anything you want to be, but all I ever wanted to be was me. I'm Alex Maxwell, and this is my first day. I hope I make lots of new friends.
Hey Mom, thank you very much for driving me. Have a good day. Love you.
I love you too. Have a good day.
What are you doing in this school, you turtle nerd?
I'm
You
just-
filthy fox
I'm
trot.
just-
What
I'm
are you
just-
doing?
I'm just-
Hey,
I'm
what are
just-
you doing in this school?
Yeah, so as you can see, my first day wasn't going so well.
Are you enjoying this?
Whoop! Hey, Alan, how's it going, buddy? You want to be my best friend? Come over to my house later on tonight. We'll play Tonka trucks and read magazines. All right, see you later, buddy. Ha! Whew.
A hidden treasure trove. On a day like today, what would you do, Iranian Spider-Man? What would you do? Get in the bed.
Alan, this is your mother. Get out of that bed. Alan, you get out of that bed. I gave birth to a potato. Oh, I'm so sorry, but you're my child. Alan, you get up. You have it. 1 minute for the soda. So get it. Get on the floor. Get down. Get down on the floor. Get down and beg Molly for mercy. I'm sorry, but Molly's gonna